Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my another vlog of Kushi's kitchen. So today we are going to prepare red velvet cake. So for that we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's mix it first. Now we will melt 1/4 cube of butter by melting it. This was actually 50 grams, so I have taken 1/4 of it. Now I will make powdered sugar with 1 cup by putting it in the mixer. Now we will add it. The butter has melted. Now we will add in the mixture. Now here I have beaten 3 eggs. We will add it in the mixture. Then we will add 1 cup of oil. Now we will start mixing it. Now we will add half cup of whipping cream. It's in liquid form. So here we are going to mix it nicely. Now I will add the food color, that is red color, because we are making red velvet cake. Now I will add 1/4 glass of water in it and let's mix it. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of Hershey's syrup. If you like, you can add more, 1 tablespoon as well. I have taken the pan and I'm greasing it with the oil nicely so that it doesn't get stick. Okay, so now it's ready, all set. Let's level it first. It's all ready. Now let's keep it in the oven and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Almarai cheese cream, and this I will take about 8 to 10 pieces to make the topping. Now after adding 10 pieces, I will mix it. Now I will add 1 cup of powdered sugar in it. Then again we are going to mix it. Now we will add some whipping cream. Keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. The red velvet cake is ready. Now let's take it out.
With